Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mrs. Diaries. So ngayon, What? So today is Mother's Day and magpe-prepare kami. Really? So what do you want to do? What do you want to do? We're gonna share a makeup look. Are you ready? Do you want to put your makeup na? Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, so ngayon, kung makikita nyo, kakasira niya lang. Aling Johnny. Parang wala nang takip yung mga iba kong gamit. So, first, alcohol. Okay. Go. Oh, no. So, here. Alcohol. It's alcohol, baby. Pero syempre si Aling Johnny, bawal siya mag-makeup. First, gulo ng buhok ko. Moisturizer! Oh, ito mo, nagli-lipstick na siya. Wow! Wow! Yes! Thank you, Ninang Jem, for this moisturizer. Oh, nails mo. Moisturizer. Natawa sa'yo si Tita tsaka si Daddy, oh. Wow! Moisturizer pa lang yun! Tada! Okay. What's next? So, after ng moisturizer, we're going to use this foundation primer. No! Chioni! No. Okay. Oh, no. Konti. Okay. No.
Like it.
Now, Mama's done with the primer. I'm gonna get my foundation. Salamin ko.
Like it.
Yes. Hindi, yung Bobby Brown. And wait. You're not allowed to use this. No, baby. Okay. Okay. So now that we're done with the foundation, I'm gonna do my brows using this one. It's for makeup for... Ay, wait lang. Yung sunnies na lang kayo. Okay, guys. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, I like this kasi mamimimik mo nga talaga yung hair strands mo. Like, yung brows mo talaga. Kasi hindi siya masyado nag-create ng harsh lines when you do your brows. Kaya, ang ganda niya. Brush. So,
You do brush your face. Ay, naku, naglagay siya.
Anong nilagay niya? Ay! Ang lipstick. Talagang dinukot niya. Wala na talaga mga lipstick ni Mommy. So, next naman ay eyeshadow. Pick some colors. Siguro ang kukunin ko na lang this color and this. Tsaka ito. Kapalan lang natin ng konti. Kasi night makeup look. Ganon. So, sa side nito. Oops. Mama's lip gloss. Sige, sasama daw muna siya sa tita niya kasi ito talaga, totoo na to, last na. Hi! What do you think? Kachiyo na, look at Mama, oh.